Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate your Squarespace website directly with Xero. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Squarespace website if you're not already. So what you can do is go to squarespace.com right here, and from here this is going to be the main page you're greeted by once you're logged in, and at the left side of the screen we can find all the sections we can use for managing our website. So now let's go ahead and take a look at how to connect Squarespace with Xero. We are going to be looking right here at the bottom left part of the screen where we can find the settings options. Once you click on that, it's going to open up this new settings menu. From there, at the left side of the screen, we can find the third-party tools section that you want to open up, and once you click on it, it's going to open up this new menu. From here, you're going to open up the extensions marketplace. By clicking extensions, it's going to open up this Squarespace extensions page, from where we can find all the extensions we can use for our website. And what we're going to do is use the search bar right here and search for Xero. So as you can see, there is an extension right here, Xero by Mecca, that's going to enable you to automate your accounting by connecting Squarespace and Xero. So using this, it's going to enable you to integrate this by clicking the connect button. Once you click connect, it's going to enable you to install it to your store directly, and after that you can follow the guide and steps and proceed with everything and connect it to your store. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.